Hey, TubeRoadmap loving viewers. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income through ebook publishing. If you're eager to turn your ideas into dollars, you're in the right place. I'm Sahu, your host on this journey, and together, we're going to explore how you can earn big by publishing ebooks. Let's get started. Identifying profitable topics. First things first, choosing the right topic. In the vast world of ebooks, finding a niche that not only interests you but also has a market demand is key. Whether it's personal development, finance, or niche hobbies, understanding what people want to read about is crucial to your success. Crafting compelling content? Now let's talk about the content itself. Quality matters. Your ebook should provide real value to readers. Invest time in research, organize your thoughts coherently, and consider professional editing services. A well-crafted ebook not only earns you money, but establishes you as an authority in your chosen field. Platforms for publishing. Next up, choosing the right platform. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a popular choice, offering a massive audience. You can also explore other platforms like Apple Books and Barnes & Noble. Consider your target audience and the features each platform provides, ensuring your ebook reaches the right hands. Marketing your ebook. Creating the ebook is just the beginning. Now let's talk about getting it into the hands of readers. Utilize social media, create a website, and leverage email marketing to build anticipation. Encourage reviews and testimonials to boost credibility. Remember, marketing is the bridge between your ebook and potential readers. Maximizing revenue. Last but not least, let's talk about the money. Price your ebook strategically. Consider promotions and discounts to attract early readers. And don't forget about bundling options or creating series for additional revenue streams. The more creative you get, the more potential your ebook has to generate income. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember that ebook publishing is a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Whether you're a seasoned author or a first-time writer, the digital landscape offers endless possibilities. Thanks for joining us on TubeRoadmap, your guide to earning through ebook publishing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy writing and happy earning.